What if your old laptop and grit could rewrite your destiny? After graduation, Ali faced a relentless job hunt. Years of education led to nothing but rejection. Not selected became his daily mantra: no stability, no hope. Ali chose coding as his escape. Late nights turned into lines of code. No courses, no mentors, just free resources, relentless practice, and a dream. 6 months later, coding wasn't just a skill, it was his lifeline: a stable income, remote work freedom, and a future he. No degree, no problem. Start today. 1. Learn from free platforms. 1. Code 1 hour daily. 3. Build real projects. 4. Share your work. Your journey begins with 1 line of code. Today's developer was yesterday's beginner. Ready to code your comeback? Tag someone who needs this.